XLBI Excel Challenge 146 Pangram sentences. That's a sentence which contains all the letters, so all the 26 letters. You will see how to solve it. So first, hard drive is doing some stuff. So yeah. Let's see. It open. Yeah. So here we have it. So it's a sentence, and we need to, which contains all the 24 letters, and we need to list those. So we can do something. So I will first print out all the characters for the English alphabet. So it's done with CHAR 64. It's the starting value in Unicode for a large A, and then sequence 26 for all 26 characters, and we will have all characters from A to Z. And then I split. Firstly I do something like S, so I can map this later on, and then I split like mid S sequence len S. It's like our normal splitting procedure we did like 1000 times before. Here we have our sentence, and now we do something like XMATCH. We look for all the English characters inside our splitted sentence, and if there is a number, then there is a match, and this char, this letter, is inside the sentence, and if there is not, then there is an error. And now we sum all those two false values up. So I did like ISNUMBER, it checks if it's a number or an error in this case. Then we sum all of them up. With minus minus we convert the two false values to numbers, and we sum this up, and so we have 22 different letters that are used here, but we want to have the 26, so we check if 22 is 26. In this case it is wrong, but for the second sentence, for example, all the English letters are inside the sentence, and you see where it's true, and then this sentence is a Pangram sentence. But we will do this with a map function, so map all the sentences, so called this lambda s, and I've used the s here, so I can delete my s inside the let function, close all the brackets, and I have a true false dynamic array for all the sentences, and now I can filter all the sentences against, if they are true, then they will be filtered out, and then they are Pangram sentences. So as you see, our solution is the right one. So let's post the solution on let's search for a few others. So Chris did basically the same. Rick, that's a little bit Rick's solution is a little bit longer than usual, but I think he wanted to use the reduce function. So as you can see, there's nothing special here. We did this like multiple times before. So yeah, normally it's like mapping, splitting. This is like the formula for putting out a dynamic array of A to Z as characters. Here the splitting, there the summing up of the XMATCH, so we search for all the English characters inside our then splitted splitted sentence, split it into single characters, so we can search for them. We sum this up, and if it's 26, then it's true, and now then we filter all the sentences according to the true/false value. This was quite a short one. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.